Emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune into channel 15 for further details.
The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for Ozaukee, Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha counties until 6 a.m. Impact: travel could be difficult. Heavy snow, additional snow accumulations of 5 to 7 inches for a total snowfall of 6 to 10 inches. Bands of heavier snow may reduce visibility to a half-mile or less at times. Snowfall rates of 1 inch per hour are expected at times. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.